Welcome to part 5 and the final video. Now let us make our game more realistic. When the motorcycle hits a car, the game should end with a clear game over message. Now to do that, see I'm in the car sprites. Now go to costume. Go to the down parts where I could choose a costume, but instead I'll pick paint. And you see it says costume, I'll change it to game over. And then I'll pick the text option there and write game over. So I'm going to change the color to red. And then I'm going to increase the size. Now I'm going to drag this to this part here. So now here we have it. Now the next thing I'm going to do is go back to the code area. I'm going to pick when green flag clicked for an event. I'll pick forever from control. Then I'll go to still in control. I'll pick if then go to sensing and pick touching. And then I'll change it to motorcycle. Now that I've changed it to motorcycle, the next thing I'm going to do is go to looks, pick show, and then go to motion, go to XY. And then I'll go back to looks and pick switch costume to game over. And then the last one is to stop the game. I shall go to control and pick stop all. And there you have it. Now let's test it. Okay, so let's play it again. Let's get it in. Yeah. Great. Now the game has a proper ending when you crash. In the final parts, we test everything together and wrap up the projects. And that is it. We now have a fully working motorcycle game with a moving road, motorcycle animation, sound effects, obstacles, and a game over system. I hope you had fun making this game and learned some new crash tricks along the way. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Comment below what game you'd like us to build next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.